Good morning, friends. Welcome back again for another garden tour. This morning, I am at Home Depot. I came to check what's going on, what they have at Home Depot. For some reason, guys, the front is really looking beautiful. But as you guys know, I always come to check out some fruit trees and some vegetable. But they got some nice crop, nice evergreen. Everything is so beautiful. But the garden center is not open yet. I'm going to give you guys a tour on the front, and then after that I'm going inside to check them out. Look at them and the price. All right, there. Look out for that bigger oh wow. Ooh. Those are 25% off. Oh my god, this is one of those. I have this flower on the front of my house. It's really a beautiful flowers. That means 39. No, let me go. Oh, what? No way. This one was 39 and now it's 29. This is a beautiful specimen to have. Yeah, this is 29 now. It's beautiful. If I was gonna take some out, there's some of them will have a lot of this. I was gonna take that. And as you see, everything on the front are $29. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. Yeah, you guys know me. I came to check for some fruit trees or some hydrangeas. Those are all what I want to get. Thank you, friends, for watching.